I'm here with my nostalgia, MyMini Skillet and Noodle cooker, and a handful of freshly picked blackberries from my yard, and I am going to be making some Blackberry Compote. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So I'm trying this for the first time with this MyMini Skillet and Noodle cooker. I'm just going to call it a skillet. I'm using this stainless steel pan. I put the blackberries in, and I'm just going to add maybe like 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. These blackberries are a bit tart, so that'll sweeten them up. I don't know how much sugar I should be adding to this, if I need to add more than 2 tablespoons. But this is only like maybe a half cup of blackberries, so I don't want it to be like overly sweet. I'm gonna let these continue to cook. It's been about a minute, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the cover on, and we'll see how it does with the cover on. It's been another minute or two, and it looks like the blackberries are starting to release some of their juice. They're also, some of them are kind of turning red. I don't know if I need to crush these down, or they'll just kind of cook down on their own, I guess. It's been another few minutes, and this has come up to a boil. I thought that the blackberries would be breaking down more than they have. I just tasted the compote. It's delicious. I think I'll let this simmer for a little while without the cover on. Maybe it'll thicken up a little bit that way. It's been a few more minutes. I'm gonna say that this is done right now. There's no way to control the temperature, so like I can't lower the heat on this. So I feel like maybe it's cooking a little bit too high or a little bit too fast, but I think it's done. I mean, I'm gonna enjoy this, so I'm gonna turn this off and let it cool off. It's now several hours later. I have some vanilla ice cream, and the Blackberry Compote cooled down, but I just heated it back up. I just warmed it up. This looks so good. I can't wait to taste this with the vanilla ice cream. I wish the blackberries didn't have so many seeds, but it's really good. This is very, very good. I've noticed that if I bake the blackberries, I don't mind the seeds as much. And these weren't baked, these were just like simmered for a while. I think when you bake them, then the seeds become more brittle and just easier to eat. But I'm definitely going to enjoy this. It's like a blackberry vanilla swirl ice cream. And so that's how you can make Blackberry Compote in this MyMini Skillet and Noodle cooker. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make with this mini appliance. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.